Hi guys! It's me again, Nicole, and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. And for today's video guys, ay syempre, papanoorin natin at babahagi ko sa inyo yung mga video greetings ng aking YouTube family. Ayan. And unang-una sa lahat, gusto kong pasalamatan yung Panginoon kasi binigay niya sa akin yung chance na ma-monetize. And I'm so thankful kasi pinakilala niya sa akin yung mga taong ayun, pamilya ko na ngayon dito sa YouTube world, sa Team Washout, sa Joynatics, sa Team Ishan, and sa mga iba pa na nakilala ko dito sa loob ng YouTube world. Hoping na sana makita ko kayo sa personal and makabanding. So, wag na natin patagalin. Let's start!
Bye!
Watch out, Nicole! Ayan, congratulations dahil ikaw ay monetize na. Welcome to the real world of YouTube. And wag sana makalimot, patuloy lang sa paggawa ng mga amazing videos. We love you!
Isang malaking sana all. Congratulations, Nicole! More revenues to come. God bless. Congrats!
So what's up mga kailong? Gusto ko lang mag-congrats kang Nicole sa pag-approve sa kanya na na-monetize na siya. So, keep it up and more vlogs to come. Bye-bye! Ilong!
So what's up, Nicole? Okay, so mega love shout out Nicole Celeben. Congratulations, you are finally monetized channel. Welcome sa pamilyang Dolyar. Charot. Ayan, so sa lahat po na sumusuporta po kay Nicole Celeben, I'm very grateful. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng tumulong sa kanya, especially from Team Joynatics. I love you all. Mega love shout out. I miss you guys so much. And also sa lahat po na sumusuporta po kay Nicole. Nicole, you really deserve it. Patuloy mo lang yan, Nicole. More subscribers to come, more viewers to come, more revenues to come. Sana ay makuha po natin yung revenue natin as soon as possible. So, enjoy your celebration and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So, that's it. I love you guys so much. Peace out. Yeah! Ayan, pagpasensya nyo na po yung ilaw ha, kung medyo nahihilo kayo. Pero ako sanay na. Ayan, goodbye guys and peace!
Hi Nicole, congratulations! Finally monetize na ang channel mo. Praying for successful on your channel and more vlogs. And yung tip lang na masasabi ko sa'yo, huwag ka ma-disappoint sa pag-upload ng mga videos, continuous mo lang ang paggawa ng vlog. At nandito lang ako sa Shang Life Vlog, sasaportahan ka, ipe-play ko yung mga harang mo. Again, congratulations! Unahin natin si Lord sa lahat ng mga naumpisahan natin. And let's give the glory and honor to God. Congratulations and more blessings!
Hi Nico! Good morning sa iyo. Mega shoutout at once again, congratulations sa pagiging monetized channel mo and you deserve it. Alam mo yan. And patuloy mo na yung pagiging mabuting bata, magiging mabuting anak at magiging mabuting kaibigan sa mga tao na nakakapaligid sa iyo. And once again, congratulations. God bless you and sa Joynatics. Congratulations.
Hi Nicole! Gusto ko lang sabihin na congratulations. Isa ka ng monetized channel, isa ka ng YouTuber. Yes! Pagpatuloy mo lang yan. Nandito lang kami. Always
to your channel. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, everyone. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and vlog. Thank you and God bless.
Hello everyone! First of all, Merry Christmas! And congratulations to you, Nicole! Kasi monetize na ang iyong channel. Ayan ha, lagi akong nanonood ha. Salamat din na sa iyong pagsuporta. And to all Asiana, thank you!
Hi Nicole! Thank you for invitation. I'm glad and happy for you. Wow! Congratulations! You are now a monetized. So keep it up and good luck. God bless you. From Annalie Channel. Love, love, love.
Hi Ading Nicole, congratulations for having your channel monetized already, and I just want to take this opportunity as well to thank you for being my mentor when I started my YouTube journey, and thank you for being my #1 supporter as well, and good luck, more vlogs to come, and enjoy the tough ride in YouTube. Again, congratulations and happy holidays. God bless.
Hello everyone, good morning. This morning I would like to send my greetings and congratulations to my YouTube friend Nicole Silogin for being newly monetized channel. Yes, finally baby, finally Ading, you made it. I hope and pray that your channel will continue to grow, and please stay humble whatever your achievement is, and stay sweet and stay kind. Once again, congratulations from your YouTube friend Asigli Vlog.
Hi! Congratulations Nicole Sullivan, you made it. Ay, isa ka ng vlogger. Ayan, dahil monetize na yung channel, congratulations mula dito sa Abu Dhabi. God bless girl, keep it up. Sana mas marami ka pang content na may pasok at mas galingan mo pa, mas ma-improve mo pa siya ng bongga-bongga. Dahil isa ka ng monetized channel. And huwag mo rin kakalimutan ang iyong school, iyong studies. Ayan. Kasi na-achieve mo na yung isang mong goal, ang pagiging vlogger. Sana ma-achieve mo pa rin ang iyong yung study mo, yung pinaka-achieve mo sa buhay na makapagtapos sa pag-aaral. Ayan. At sana huwag ka magbabago. Andito pa rin si Ate Eva na inaliw para sumuport sa'yo. Alam mo yan. Mini-message kita, alam mo yan. Lagi kitang tinatanong about your WH. Ayan. Basta, yun lang. Sana huwag kang makakalimot at sana matapos mo rin yung pag-aaral mo. Ayan. Sa mga hindi pa po dumidikit, baka gusto nyo po akong dikitan, iba na inaliw po at your service. Mula po dito sa Abu Dhabi, again, congratulations na Nicole Sullivan. God bless to your channel and love, love, love. Spread the love lang tayo. Okay? Yan guys. Thank you, thank you. Hi, thank you ulit Nicole. Bye. Bye guys. See you.
Hello Nicole and shout out kay Nicole Sullivan sa hindi pa nag-subscribe at nag-like. Sana mag-like kayo at mag-subscribe. Ayun, joke lang. And ayun, congratulations ulit Nicole. Sana mag-enjoy ka at naging monetize ka na sa wakas. And ayun, keep on uploading and congratulations. Bye! Ingat!
Hello Nicole! Before anything else, I would like to say that you are such a very sweet person. And you worked really hard to be monetized sa iyong channel and you really deserved it. I wanted to congratulate you ng bonggang-bongga from Ate, it's Ayla, all the way from Singapore. And actually papunta ako sa Galaan kasi it's my off day. But before I do that, I would like to start this day to kick it off with a congratulatory greetings. Congratulations sa iyong pagiging monetized. And this will be the start of another tough journey, you know, when you become monetized. But don't you worry, I and our friends in YouTube will help you get there. We will all mo, get there. Basta wala lang bibitaw. Okay, congratulations and enjoy it.
Hi Ben, Nicole Sullivan channel. Finally. Ayan, monetize channel ka na din. So, very happy kasi yan talaga ang gift ni God para sa'yo. So, ayan, enjoy mo lang for being monetized now. And of course, I'm looking for more contents on your channel. And more dollars, more earning dollars every month, more friends, more subscribers. So, wag ka lang magbabago, okay? And just stay focused kung ano yung goal mo sa buhay. Stay healthy and stay humble. So, ayan, be happy for you. Once again, congratulations! And advance Merry Christmas! Love you!
Hello, Ate Nicole! I'm so very proud of you dahil monetize ka na. Pagpatuloy mo lang yan, Ate, because God has a plan for you. And Ate, huwag ka mag-give up kung may bashers ka man or anything else na makakasira sa pag-YouTube mo. Basta keep going it dahil siguro yan yung desire or yun yung passion na binigay sa'yo ni God. Basta, lagi mo alahanin na andito kami na sumusuporta sa'yo and congratulations! Congratulations for being monetized and andito lang ako na yun, pag may kailangan ka, kung may basta tatanungin ka, nandito lang ako. So, thank you Ate dahil nakilala rin kita since sumali ako sa isang GC na nakilala kita. Thank you Ate for being good and sa pagiging parang isang ate mo kahit na sa online lang kita nakilala Ate. Hope na magkita rin tayo soon Ate. Magkalapit lang naman tayo pag kasi bukas. So, yun Ate. Congratulations! So, yun Ate. Hope na mas lalo pang tumaas yung subscribers mo na yan and I will pray to God na palagi ka niyang bigyan ng strength and mindset para maisip mo lahat ng gusto mong gawin at hindi pa dalas-dalas yung gagawin mo na magiging wrong way. So, yun Ate. Bye! I love you!
Congrats, Nicole! Pagpatuloy mo lang yung pag-YT mo, pagigihan at enjoy mo lang yung journey mo for being monetized. Thank you na rin sa pag-solid support mo sa aming dalawa. God bless and take care. Andito lang kami ng mga teams mo.
Hi! What's up? Nicole Sullivan. So yun, congratulations dahil monetized channel ka na katulad namin. At yun nga, matagal mo lang minimithi yan at natupad na yan. So yun, keep it up lang. Ayan Nicole, huwag kang hihinto. Nakatulad namin, joke lang. Tuloy-tuloy lang, huwag kang hihinto. At huwag mo kakalimutan yung mga nagmamahal sa'yo at sumusupport sa'yo. So yun, sila yung nagpapalakas sa'yo at huwag mo silang kakalimutan. At yun nga, maraming salamat din dahil ikaw rin yung sumupport din sa akin at nandyan palagi. Ayan. So yun, God bless sa'yo, keep it up. Ayan, tuloy mo lang yung mga contents na ginagawa mo. Sana soon, diba? Makapag-collab tayo. Ayan, yun lang, enjoy mo lang yung life mo palagi. So, yan.